Gusto ko lang magbigay ng reaction, opinion dito sa article na publish sa billionario.com, ano? Pahayag ito ni dating Finance Secretary na ngayon Executive Secretary Ralph Recto, yung pag-transfer daw ng 60 billion PhilHealth Fund is politically wrong but economically correct. Nagpapalusot pa. Ito, nagbigay ng matinding reaksyon si Joey De Bebre. Ito, basahin ko muna, then mag-reaction din ako. Sabi niya, Executive Secretary Recto, it is wrong. Kapag walang tangible results for the people, it is wrong. Wrong, wrong. Walang redeeming factor. Hindi politically, economically, nor morally right. Walang redeeming factor. Okay, borrowing the decision of Supreme Court, it is legally wrong, unconstitutional, sampal sa muka, period. Wala nang iba pang mga palusot ninyo. Okay, PhilHealth remitted the 60 billion in excess funds, and Department of Finance claimed that about 78% of which were used to finance critical health projects. Tell it to the Marines, hindi kami maniwala. Huwag nyo kaming lukuhin. We were not born yesterday. Ang sabi ninyo, ito yung mga pagkakagastusan ninyo sa transfer na yan. Public health emergency benefits and allowance for healthcare and non-healthcare workers during the COVID-19 pandemic, 27.45 billion. Medical assistance to indigent and financially incapacitated patients, 10 billion. Procurement of various medical equipment for DOH, 4.10 billion. Construction of 3 DOH health facilities, 3.37 billion. And Health Facilities Enhancement Program, 1.69 billion. Excess funds, or about 13 billion of it, to finance government counterpart financing for foreign assisted infrastructure and social development projects that will accelerate the delivery of healthcare services to remote areas and enhance the health and well-being of Filipinos by ensuring food security. Tanong, nasaan ang mga yan? Huwag niyong insultuhin ang katalinuhan ng mga Pilipino na basta-basta na lang kami maniwala sa inyong mga iprinepresentang pinagkagastusan ng pera na yan. Yung medical assistance to indigent and financially incapacitated patients na 10 billion is bigger than the 100 million per month that PRRD allocated for PGH. PRRD, pero bakit hindi naramdaman ng mga tao? Bakit hindi? Why is PGH complaining for lack of funds? Correct. Why do people still line up to beg for assistance? Grabe. Ay, yung mga manhid, kung ano-anong mga palusot ninyo, economically correct. Ano ba? You didn't realize how big the 60 billion is. Ang dami ninyong sinasabing paglalagyan niyo dyan, pero lista lang sa tubig. In the first place, the President could have directed PhilHealth with related agencies to spearhead these projects without dipping your hands into it. Correct. Pwede naman. Hindi na yung i-transfer sa National Treasury. From PhilHealth, diretso, tulungan ang mga nangangailangan. Di wala sanang problema. Bakit i-transfer pa sa National Treasury? Again, we were not born yesterday. Hindi kami mga utso-utso. Ninakaw nyo na ngayong pera, linustay nyo na, iniinsulto nyo pa. Ano ba kayo? That is why the people miss PRRD. Pag sinabi niyang mapupunta ang pera sa tao, alam namin na para talaga ito sa tao kasi nararamdaman. Correct. Saan nyo dinala ang pera? Yun ang tanong. At grabe, ginisa tayo ng ating sariling mantika. Doble nakaw. Ninakawan na tayo ng 60 billion, nilos tayo. Tapos tayo pa ang nagsauli, tayo pa ang nagbayad. Taxes natin ang ginamit para isauli dahil dinaan sa 2026 national budget. Nakakainis, kailang talaga magtiis na lang tayo. Ito na po yung legacy ng administrasyon ito. Budol talaga. Mayroon yung malaking labor group, nagkaisa coalition. Nananawagan sila na mag-resign na lang itong si ES Recto dahil sabi nila the government is nanganganib ang gobyerno habang nandyan si ES Recto. Habang nandyan ang Pangulo, malaki ang tiwala niya kay ES Recto, hindi magre-resign yan. Habang nandyan silang dalawa, kaya again, magtiis-tiis na lang po tayo. Malapit naman ang 2028 at bayan babangon, bayan bumaon na muli tayo ngayon. Kailang pagdating kay BP Sara, yan na, may pag-asa na po tayo. Salamat sa inyong pagsubaybay sa ating channel.